Samsung is once again changing the game, and this time, it's doing it bigger, literally. The upcoming Galaxy Z Trifold isn't just another foldable phone. It's a bold reimagining of what a smartphone can be. With 2 hinges, dual main displays, and AI-powered multitasking, Samsung is taking the folding revolution to an entirely new dimension. Whether you're a professional who juggles multiple apps, a content creator pushing creative boundaries, or just someone who loves futuristic tech, the Z Trifold promises an experience like never before. This isn't just about hardware. It's about creating a truly dynamic and versatile digital companion that fits every aspect of your lifestyle. So, get ready as we unfold, literally, everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, its incredible features, camera power, AI intelligence, and why it might just be the most exciting smartphone of 2025, right here on TechVerse. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is set to be the most groundbreaking smartphone of 2025, pushing the limits of innovation and redefining how we perceive mobile technology. And Samsung, the undisputed leader in foldable design, is once again at the forefront of this transformation. Expected to launch on October 21st, 2025, during the much-awaited Samsung Galaxy event, this next-generation flagship brings a trifold design that turns science fiction into reality. Imagine a phone that folds twice. Thanks to 2 precision-engineered hinges, allow it to transform effortlessly from a regular-sized smartphone into a tablet-sized workstation. The Galaxy Z Trifold doesn't just represent a new form factor. It introduces an entirely new way to multitask, create, and connect. Samsung's engineering excellence shines through in its dual display mechanism, providing expanded screen real estate while maintaining durability, portability, and elegance. When fully unfolded, users are greeted by a massive dynamic AMOLED panel that delivers immersive visuals, perfect for productivity, entertainment, and creativity. This trifold concept allows users to open multiple apps at once, manage floating windows, drag and drop files seamlessly, and even split screens across different panels, making it the ultimate multitasking powerhouse. The interface adapts intelligently, enabling one display to show your video call, another your notes, and the third your presentation, all in real time. It's like carrying a mini workstation in your pocket. Samsung's One UI has been optimized for this new layout, ensuring fluid animations, adaptive window resizing, and enhanced gesture controls. But what truly makes the Galaxy Z Trifold exceptional isn't just its design. It's the fusion of raw power and intelligence beneath that futuristic shell. At its core, the device is rumored to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring lightning-fast speed, smooth multitasking, and efficient energy management. This chipset supports advanced AI functions that elevate the user experience beyond anything seen before. Samsung's AI integration plays a huge role here. Intelligent app suggestions learn from your habits, adaptive battery algorithms extend longevity, and background optimization ensures that performance never falters, even with multiple tasks running simultaneously. The Samsung DeX platform has been refined for the Z Trifold, allowing it to connect wirelessly to external displays, turning the phone into a full-fledged desktop environment with a single tap. For professionals and digital creators, this means greater flexibility, more creative freedom, and unmatched productivity on the go. But power isn't all that this device brings. The camera system on the Galaxy Z Trifold could be one of the most advanced ever fitted on a foldable smartphone. Samsung is reportedly equipping it with a 200-megapixel main sensor and 100x digital zoom, enabling breathtaking clarity, even from a distance. The combination of AI-assisted photography, enhanced night mode, and new sensor stabilization makes it perfect for capturing professional-grade content. Whether you're shooting a 4K vlog, snapping ultra-detailed landscapes, or recording high-speed footage, the Z Trifold adapts automatically, using AI scene detection to fine-tune lighting, exposure, and depth. Moreover, its foldable structure introduces creative camera angles and hands-free shooting modes. Prop it halfway open, and it becomes its own tripod for stable selfies and time-lapse. Samsung's dedication to innovation continues with AI-powered photo editing tools, letting users remove unwanted objects, enhance portraits, or even relight scenes directly within the Gallery app. It's not just a camera, it's a portable creative studio. When it comes to usability, the Galaxy Z Trifold's AI features extend beyond photography. Expect adaptive performance optimization, intelligent connectivity that prioritizes your Wi-Fi or 5G network based on location, and seamless ecosystem integration with Samsung devices. The Z Trifold syncs effortlessly with Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watches, and the Galaxy XR headset, allowing a unified experience across audio, health tracking, and immersive AR or VR environments. This integration demonstrates Samsung's vision to create an interconnected ecosystem where devices communicate fluidly, delivering convenience and intelligence at every level. Samsung's engineers have also focused heavily on durability, learning from previous foldable generations. The Z Trifold will likely feature Gorilla Glass armor, reinforced titanium hinges, and a flexible UTG 3.0 glass layer that's tested to endure hundreds of thousands of folds without wear. This makes it not only futuristic, but also reliable for everyday use. Despite its complexity, the phone's slim profile and lightweight design make it incredibly comfortable to carry. The battery performance is also expected to impress, thanks to a dual-cell system with adaptive charging that learns your usage routine and adjusts accordingly. Combined with CoE color-on encapsulation, technology borrowed from the Galaxy S26 Ultra's display innovation, the Trifold achieves better energy efficiency and stunning brightness levels. The display's adaptive refresh rate, up to 120 Hz, ensures silky smooth visuals whether you're scrolling through apps, gaming, or editing videos. And with Samsung's refined Vision Booster and Eye Comfort Shield, users can enjoy long hours of use without strain, even outdoors. From productivity to play, the Z Trifold promises an experience that adapts to your lifestyle. Imagine running YouTube, Chrome, and a messaging app all on separate panels, or folding the device halfway to use one screen for a virtual keyboard and the other for document editing. It's not just multitasking, it's multi-living, technology evolving with you. Samsung software optimization ensures apps scale intelligently to fit the Trifold design, and developers are already optimizing popular apps for this new layout. This kind of forward-thinking design cements Samsung's position as a leader of the foldable revolution, far ahead of competitors like Google and Apple. The launch implications are massive, as this will likely be the first commercially available Trifold smartphone, giving Samsung an unshakable edge in the high-end mobile market. Industry analysts believe the Z Trifold could usher in a new era where smartphones and tablets merge into one adaptable form. For content creators, designers, and productivity-driven users, this device is a dream come true, a blend of flexibility, creativity, and raw performance. As Samsung continues to innovate with AI-driven features and groundbreaking design, the Galaxy Z Trifold represents not just another phone, but the future of mobile evolution. Its potential to reshape how people work, create, and communicate cannot be overstated. From its dual-display Trifold design and 200 MP AI camera to Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 power and AI-powered One UI interface, everything about this device screams next-generation excellence. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or professional multitasking, the Galaxy Z Trifold has something revolutionary to offer. And with Samsung's expanding lineup, including the Galaxy XR headset and Galaxy S26 Ultra, this innovation ties into a broader ecosystem that's shaping the future of connected experiences. The Galaxy Z Trifold is not just a phone, it's a statement, a declaration of what's possible when technology meets imagination. Samsung isn't just evolving smartphones, it's reinventing them from the ground up, giving users control, flexibility, and intelligence that were once unimaginable. And as we inch closer to its official release, one thing is certain. 2025 belongs to the foldable future, and Samsung is leading the charge. If you're ready to witness the future of mobile technology unfold, literally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is a device you've been waiting for. It's more than a phone. It's the beginning of a new era of innovation. Stay tuned for more amazing tech updates. And don't forget to subscribe because this is TechVerse, where technology meets tomorrow.